Tired of posting online with no sales to show for it? The solution is simple: mastering lead generation in Make Money Marketing, and I'm about to show you exactly how. The real solution isn't posting more or hoping for random clicks. It's building a proven lead generation system with Make Money Marketing. So every visitor you attract can be turned into a paying customer. I'm going to share something that's about to change everything for you. The businesses crushing it right now aren't relying on luck or outdated tactics. In this video, I'll explain lead generation step by step so you can start your lead generation strategies right away so you can make money marketing. Let's get straight into the video right now. We've cracked the code on lead generation, and today I'm going to hand you the exact playbook successful marketers are using. What I'm about to share with you isn't some theoretical fluff you'd find in a dusty marketing textbook. These are the 3 battle-tested strategies that have generated over 10 million leads for businesses just like yours. And by the time you finish watching this video, you'll have everything you need to transform your business from a struggling startup into a customer-attracting machine. But before we dive into these game-changing strategies, let me ask you something. How many times have you heard someone say that lead generation is dead? Or that it's too expensive? Or that only big corporations with massive budgets can make it work? Well, I'm here to tell you that's complete nonsense. The truth is, lead generation has never been more accessible or more profitable than it is right now. You just need to know which levers to pull and when to pull them. Let's get into the 3 most powerful and most effective lead generation strategies right now. The first strategy that's absolutely crushing it right now is content-driven lead magnets. Now, I know what you're thinking. Everyone's talking about lead magnets, right? But here's where most people get it completely wrong. They create some generic PDF guide or checklist and wonder why nobody's downloading it. The secret isn't in what you create, it's in how you position it and who you target with it. Let me break this down for you. Your lead magnet needs to solve one specific problem for one specific type of person. Not 10 problems for everyone. One problem for someone. When you get laser focused like this, something magical happens. Your conversion rates skyrocket because you're speaking directly to the pain point that's keeping your ideal customer awake at night. Here's exactly how you implement this strategy. First, you need to identify the number 1 obstacle preventing your ideal customer from achieving their desired outcome. Not the second or third biggest problem. The absolute biggest one. Then, you create a piece of content that provides a quick win solution to that specific problem. This could be a video training, a step-by-step guide, a template, or even a simple checklist. The format doesn't matter as much as the value it delivers. But here's the kicker. You need to give away something that's genuinely valuable. I'm talking about content that people would happily pay for. This might seem counterintuitive, but when you give away your best stuff for free, it builds incredible trust and positions you as the expert in your field. People start thinking, if this is what they give away for free, imagine what their paid products must be like. The distribution strategy is equally important. You can't just create an amazing lead magnet and hope people will find it. You need to put it in front of the right people at the right time. This means leveraging social media platforms where your ideal customers are already hanging out and partnering with other businesses that serve the same audience. Also, optimizing your content for search engines so people can discover it organically. Now, let's talk about the second strategy that's generating incredible results. Strategic partnerships and collaborations. This is where the magic of leverage really comes into play. Instead of trying to build an audience from scratch, you tap into audiences that already exist and are perfectly aligned with your target market. The beauty of this approach is that it's built on mutual benefit. You're not asking someone to do you a favor, you're offering genuine value to their audience while simultaneously growing your own. This creates a win-win-win situation where everyone benefits, including the end consumer who gets access to valuable content and solutions. Here's how you execute this strategy effectively. Start by identifying businesses, influencers, or content creators who serve the same target audience as you but aren't direct competitors. These could be complementary service providers, industry experts, or even companies in related niches. The key is finding partners whose audiences would genuinely benefit from what you offer. Once you've identified potential partners, you need to approach them with a value-first mindset. Don't lead with what you want from them. Instead, focus on what you can offer their audience. Maybe you could guest on their podcast, contribute to their blog, co-host a webinar, or even create a joint piece of content. The goal is to provide so much value that their audience naturally wants to learn more about you. The follow-up strategy is crucial here. You need to have a clear system for capturing leads from these partnerships and nurturing them into customers. This might involve creating partner-specific landing pages, offering exclusive bonuses, or developing a customized email sequence that references the partnership. The key is making the transition from their audience to your audience feel natural and valuable. What makes this strategy so powerful is the implied endorsement factor. When someone you trust recommends a product or service, you're much more likely to check it out. This transfers trust from your partner to you, dramatically increasing conversion rates compared to cold outreach or advertising. The third and final strategy that's absolutely dominating right now is automated lead nurturing sequences. This is where technology becomes your best friend, allowing you to build relationships with potential customers even while you sleep. The key is creating a systematic approach that guides prospects through a journey from initial interest to purchase decision. Most businesses completely mess this up because they try to sell too early in the process. They get someone's email address and immediately start pitching their products or services. This is like proposing on the first date. It's way too much, way too soon. Instead, you need to focus on building trust, providing value, and gradually demonstrating your expertise. Here's the framework that works incredibly well. Your automated sequence should follow a specific 3-step pattern: educate, demonstrate, and then invite. In the education phase, you're providing valuable insights and helping solve immediate problems. In the demonstration phase, you're showing your expertise through case studies, behind-the-scenes content, or detailed explanations of your process. Only in the invitation phase do you make soft offers or invitations to learn more about your paid solutions. The timing and frequency of these messages is critical. You want to stay top of mind without being annoying. A good rule of thumb is to send valuable content every few days, with softer promotional content mixed in occasionally. The key is always leading with value and making sure every email provides something useful, even if someone never buys from you. Personalization is what separates good sequences from great ones. Use the information you know about your leads to customize the content they receive. This could be based on their industry, company size, specific interests, or where they are in their customer journey. The more relevant and personalized your content feels, the higher your engagement and conversion rates will be. Now, here's something most people don't realize about lead generation: it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. You could generate thousands of leads, but if they're not the right leads, you're just wasting time and money. The strategies I've shared with you today are designed to attract high-quality prospects who are genuinely interested in what you offer and have the ability to become paying customers. The businesses that are winning in today's market understand that lead generation isn't a one-time activity. It's an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and continuous optimization. You need to constantly test different approaches, measure your results, and refine your strategies based on what's working. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of these 3 strategies and commit to implementing it over the next 30 days. Don't try to do all 3 at once. That's a recipe for overwhelming and mediocre results. Focus on mastering one approach before moving to the next. Whether you choose content-driven lead magnets, strategic partnerships, or automated nurturing sequences, the key is taking action and staying consistent. Remember, every successful business you admire started exactly where you are right now. They had the same challenges, the same doubts, and the same obstacles. The difference is they took action and stayed committed to the process. Your leads are out there right now, searching for solutions to their problems. These strategies will help you connect with them in a meaningful way and build the thriving business you deserve. The time for making excuses is over. The time for taking action is now. Pick your strategy, create your plan, and start generating the leads that will transform your business forever. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who may benefit from it and help them in their marketing journey. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to bring you more helpful videos about affiliate marketing secrets. What lead generation strategy do you think you would benefit from? Please let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.